So for many of the projects, I am gonna ask you to sketch, and I am gonna ask you to do thumbnail sketches first. So I thought I would just go over really quickly what a thumbnail sketch. First of all, you need to learn to say thumbnail sketch, and then I'll go over really quickly what a thumbnail sketch is. Try that 5 times fast. So if you know me, you know that I always have a Dixon Ticonderoga pencil and a cheap clipboard with graph paper on it. It's really up to you what materials you use to do your thumbnail sketches, but it's preferably not something really expensive. Even the back of an envelope or an old bill or letter that you have lying around. The idea with the thumbnail sketches is to not be too precious about them. So let's say I want to sketch for a series of dinnerware that I'm doing, and start with some basic shapes and then maybe play with some handles. So thumbnail is just a small sketch. Maybe I want to do the surface design sketch on this one, and then maybe I would go and grab some color pencils or some markers to, depending on what I'm designing. I like this 2-sided bowl. I'm gonna draw that again. Let's say it's an open semi-spherical form, and it's actually 2 of them. This one is inverted, and that way you could switch the bowl over and use either side. So it's just a really quick sketch. Don't take too much time with it. It's about getting ideas down on paper very, very quickly. So for this one, I want to make a series or a set. So I kind of do want the cup and the bowl, the elevated bowl, to somehow relate to one another. So maybe I would do with the cup the same thing that I did with the bowl, and perhaps create a inverted semi-sphere to go underneath it and to elevate that a little. So now I'm thinking about the cup, and I want it a little bit more rounded because I want it to relate to the bowl. Now these aren't to scale, obviously. I've now enlarged the cup. And then maybe just to give it some more symmetry and balance, I'll draw it with a handle on either side. So it's evolving a little bit as we sketch, and then maybe I'll get that surface design on there too and further unify these objects with surface design elements. I do a lot of donut shapes and a lot of circles, a lot of polka dots, so that is why I've chosen that. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 10 thumbnail sketches that I need for this project. And I will just continue along on another sheet of paper, or even just fit them in on this sheet of paper until I have the 10 required sketches. If I like what I have, then I don't need to continue. If I don't like what I have, then obviously I'm going to do another sheet of thumbnail sketches until I do like them. Okay, try it out. Bye.